multiple projects today. We are getting some plywood and making a sleeping platform in Sarah's 4Runner, yeah. So it's not, because it's not even, it sits up and down, so you need to have a platform to sleep on. And I happen to have a piece of plywood in the back. Maybe it'll just fit and project done like that. That's not good for content.
Give me a warning when you gotta start doing that kind of shit.
It's 32 and a half.
48. Yeah, still inclined, so it just needs to like.
So we gotta
sit
put
up
like a 2x4 under that.
Yeah.
But this wouldn't work if you had two people in here.
Right.
So we should still cut the other one. It's just supposed to bridge from like here to like right up there.
Why don't you just do it like right here? Or as far as it needs to go.
But it has to sit on the edge, right? Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't have to go all the way up.
Right, it just has to go from the high point to the low point.
And the width.
Mm-hmm.
That way you can put it in and see what you actually want. Just tell you how far.
That's the gap you gotta make up.
Sure. About that.
Would she want it on the leather though? I wouldn't want it on the leather.
Yeah.
So, there. So that's the gap you gotta make up. This gap right here for support.
So there's a 2x4 sitting right here. I guess a 2x4 would be like that. And then, so it's just one 2x4 here and then maybe one of these.
You have to do kind of close so it doesn't sag in the middle unless you do a second sheet of plywood on top.
As wide as this, or?
Make it the width of this. That way if anything came up for whatever reason, she could always have this.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
If you want to make it real crazy, you could stick some hinges on it.
That's actually what I was thinking.
And then you hinge the top part off.
Yeah, nice.
Well, no, because then you could hinge the part that's over the seat, hinge it completely out of the way. Well, no, you could still have people in the back seat, and you don't have to take it out.
I mean, we can cut it, yeah, this wide, and then we can just cut it right down the middle. So if you're only going by yourself, you only put this side in. If Andrea's coming, you put the other side in, and then you have a.
Yeah, because she's gonna sleep in the back of this thing.
I would maybe once a year. So then you could have the space with just a single bed,
Yeah.
and then extend it with the other part, or just leave the other part at home when she's not going.
Yeah. True.
Is this even long enough?
Yeah, sleeping. She did it 2 weeks ago.
That's the other thing I was thinking.
Where's your head at?
I was like, are you going like all the way up?
No, that's true. You could.
Type of thing, like sliding the front seat forward, getting an extra 1.5 feet, 2 feet out of it.
But they're both short,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I fit fine.
Yeah, also it's MDF. Do you have masks?
Safety corners right here. We measured this 41 by 69.
Yeah.
We're going with the biggest possible size for the back of the 4Runner first, and then we can always cut it down from there. This is MDF. Stronger, thicker, better.
Harder, better.
And that is Sam. Long ways.
Like just raise it up.
Yeah.
You raise me up.
Okay, Josh, go then.
Somebody gets it.
Now, do you still want us to cut this in half? This 60-40 or whatever.
To make it easy to get in and out.
Yeah, because you got to do this solo.
Yeah, true.
So
if you want to practice taking it out solo.
in that case, let's slide it back a bit. You just need to measure up to here. We just need to measure where the 60-40 split is.
No, it's not really 17 inches. It's like.
Let me see.
pour that across the top.
What?
And that's what happens when it's not deep enough.
Got him.
Yep. That's what happens when it's deep enough.
We're doing 3?
4.
4.
Leave a little bit for the blade. Huh? So we ripped the 2x4 and putting that there to support that. We have those 2 supports there, and then we cut the board 60/40 so you can use the full width for a double bed or just the single over here, and then use the side for storage.
It fits.
The woodworker. That much higher than it is. So does it feel like it's better the other way now?
Because it's not flat.
That's a fresh blade.
She was also.
I feel like
Spade. We cut most of the way and then it's junk.
I've also had surgery on this ankle, so.
sand away.
So if there's only one screw, do we want to just
You need 1 10mm.
do we want to just run this then? So
Really? It's your bed. You can lay on, Charlie. You can lay on whatever you want to lay on.
Okay, so how do you want me to do it though, for real?
Just get it everywhere so I can spread it.
yeah, I was gonna say make sure you spread that, or else you're gonna have a.
Like, she can draw whatever she wants on her bed.
That's because it was on the video.
Some people have spaceships, some people have horses.
Because it was on the
And you're just gonna
video.
have a giant dick
Sarah wants to
shaped
sleep
blue
on a
spot.
giant dong.
Yeah.
Because it was part of the video.
I can see all the way.
Put your hand up.
There.
Because these aren't passing through. Both of these.
I got white stuff on me.
Add the spades.
Well, look what you were missing your whole life.
What's the switch on the inside?
To take the circular saw off. Kind of like completely off, so you can just hold the roll in the air.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to cut the carpet.
So
So just hover it and I will.
we're not fixing this.
Give me my corner.
Yeah, this one's the head, so it doesn't.
Alright, so this material is applied. We basically just stapled it along the edges, stapled it along the sides, and then glued it on the other side. We could have been more, precise, but whatever. And no one sees this part. And then that is the top or the front, top of it. So this made at MDF, and then we did 2x4s, actual full non-ripped 2x4s there, and then there to put in. So let's just put in these. We talked about the pricing. This was, you said $60, and the professional one is like $300-400. One made out of like carbon plastic, whatever it is. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life. And then this is the option for full. Pushing those together, and even very not useful storage under here.
You gotta cover that one up too.
Yes, yes we do. All right, and that is a wrap for this episode of the Sometimes Builds. Today we're doing the rear platform on the Sarah's 4Runner. So now when she sleeps, it's a flat surface instead of the bend down. So thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing. Like and comment down below. If you have any questions, happy to answer them. See you next time. Peace.